Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with premium GMC infotainment audio system, navigation, enhanced automatic emergency braking, garage door transmitter, 120-volt bed-mounted power outlet, power sunroof, forward collision alert, wood console insert, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar and GMC connected services capable, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.